Hello everyone, continuing the OpenAI with Python playlist. In this video, I will demonstrate how to generate text from image. Let's begin by accessing Google Colab. To save time, I will import the OpenAI library and set up my API key. If this is your first time using the OpenAI API or you are unsure how to generate an API key, pause this video and watch another video linked in the card here, okay? Now moving on to our example, there are two ways to generate text from images, and for both we will be using the GPT-4o models. The first method involves passing the image URL to our model. I will leave this image URL in the video description to facilitate the execution of this example. So generating text from an online image is very simple. For that, let's create a response variable. Response equals client.chat.completions.create. In the model parameter, set GPT-4o. Now it's necessary to specify the messages parameters. Messages equals role user. Content, and for content it's necessary send a prompt text and the image URL, okay? For the prompt text, send type text with text describing what is in this image. For second content, send type image underscore URL, image URL, receive an object with URL property, and here set the image URL, okay? And for maxi tokens property, set 300. Let's execute it. Command executed successfully. Now let's print the response content. For that, print response.choice in the index 0 dot message dot content. The response content says the image depicts a serene natural landscape. Let's see the image. Great, we can see that the response matches the image we just sent to the model. The second method is to pass a local image to our model. The first step is to create a function to convert the local image to base64. Import base64. Def encode image, receive an image path with open image underscore path row B as image file, return base64 dot b64 encode image file .read dot decode, send UTF-8. Let's execute it. Now let's test the function. For this, click in the folder button. You need to upload a local image by clicking in this button, or by connecting to Google Drive, clicking in this button. Clicking connect to Google Drive. If this is your first time connecting Google Colab to Google Drive, you will need to log in with a Google account. Once your Google Drive is connected, you will be able to see the Drive folder. Look for your file. In my case, it's located in Drive, my Drive, underscore temp, image2.jpg. Click in this right button and choose the copy path. Now let's create a base64 underscore image variable equals encode underscore image send your image path. Let's execute it. Let's print the base64 image. Great, the encode image function is working. Now let's create a response equals client.chat.completions.create. For the model equals GPT-for all. And for messages equals role user. For content, send the type text with text what is in this image. Then send the type image underscore URL with the image URL. In your URL property, put f data :image / jpeg base64 and send the base64 image variable. Set max tokens with 300 and let's execute it. Okay, print the response content. Print response dot choice dot message dot content. The response content says the image shows a light colored puppy walking on grass. Let's see the image. Great. And to finish, let's copy this content and change the text to "Do you know the breed of the animal in this image?" Let's execute it. Copy this line code as well and execute it. The answer is yes, the animal is the image appears to be a Labrador Retriever puppy. So that's all for this video, but before you go, please consider linking this video if you found it helpful. Your like will help me decide on future content, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on notifications. I will be posting more videos on OpenAI and other technologies. Thank you and see you in the next video.